Take a look at this potentiometer. It's a slider, so it can go up and down. I need to know how to connect this to my Arduino. So I've got these 3 pins, one on this side and 2 on the other. I could guess which is which, but I think we should test it. We're going to use a multimeter for this. I'm going to go ahead and hook up my black clip over here to the lone pin and the right clip to this pin over here that lines up with it. Now, what does the multimeter say? The multimeter says 9.9 thousand ohms. Now, this is rated for 10,000 ohms, which means this must be power and ground. But we don't know which is which yet. If we instead move this right clip to the other pin, what does multimeter say now? Cool thing is I can slide this now and I get a different output. Therefore, this must be the wiper pin. So this is going to range from 10 kilo ohms down to 0. As I slide it up, you can see the value diminishing, which means I'm actually holding this upside down. This proves that this lone pin is ground and the 2 pins are power and wiper.